Hi, this is Tommy Hall with MathNook.com, and I'm here to give a quick overview on how to play our MathPup Circle Angles game. If you're not familiar with MathNook, we have lots of free math games, puzzle games, and teaching tools to use and play online, and there's never any membership or sign-up required, and everything's always free to play. Okay, let's take a look at the game. This is the menu you'll see when you first start the game. If you click the More Games button, it will take you to lofgames.com, which is our sister site. They also have a lot of online math games and puzzle games, and like MathNook, everything's free to play and there's never any membership or sign up required. The video button will take you to the page on MathNook that has this video in case you'd like to see that again. The instructions, I'm going to go over everything that's in the instructions, so you know, there's no reason to do that, but if you're playing and you kind of need a little bit of help, this is where you'd find out how to play. But the game's pretty simple. I think you'll see in a minute. And so there's probably not a whole lot of reason to go to the instructions, but it's there in case you need it. Okay, here's the main board. This button will take you to the main menu. This will get another question. This turns the music off and on. This turns the sound off and on. As you can see, the X here means there's no sound. The slash through the little music note means there's no music playing, which wouldn't play anyways with the sound off. So the object is answer this question here, and the question is always wanting to know what is the measure of a central angle. In this case, it's a maple section, and if you look over here, the maple represents 20%. The central angle would be here, and you notice that we've color coded it, so you can kind of tell that the maple is going to be red. And it's up here, the word's up here, maple, and it's also red, and the corresponding section on the pie chart is also red. So you can do this two ways. I know offhand that 20% of this angle here, if this section is 20%, it's going to be 72. So can't really type it in, but what I do is type in 72 and submit. It was correct, and it tells me that the answer is correct, and I can move this box around in case I got it wrong or just want to see more of the board. I can move this around, and if I click this, it'll take me on to the next one. And what I want to show you though is, so this one says beach 35. Well, you know, that's kind of a tough central angle to figure out, but I know that the central angle is going to be 0.35, which is 35%, and I'm going to hit the times button. Times the total angle in the circle is going to be 360, and I almost hit clear, but I'll show you that in a second. But 126 degrees, and I submit, and it says it was correct. Let's go on to the next one, and celery, and I'm just going to plug in incorrect answer. Nope, let's go ahead and do that. Going to go ahead and clear it. That's how that button works. And I could do and say submit, and that's wrong, and it tells you. And let's go ahead and we can move this out of the way. You can see the celery section is 20%, and it's red here, and it tells you the answer would be 72 degrees, and there's the calculation you use, 0.20, which represents 20%, times 360 degrees is 72 degrees. So we would just go ahead and bring this up. We could try again, and we could go ahead and get another, calculate another answer. We could do on this, it'd be 15%. We can go ahead and do another one. Can't really, I think that's going to be 36, 18, 54, but let me see. I'm just doing that in my head. Yeah. So sometimes you can do that in your head and you just key it in here, or you can actually verify that with by using the formula. So that's how you play the game. I'm going to go ahead and go to the main menu so you can see we're back where we started. That's how you play the game. I hope you have fun with it. I hope the videos help some, and thanks for watching.